What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We are back today with another food video. Now, I don't want this to be a food channel, but it's slowly turning into one. I am on my way to my friend Kelly's house, and we are going to try some healthy snacks for you guys. So I'm going to run to the store, pick up some ingredients, and drive to her far away as heck house. So yeah, just want to give you guys a little intro before I bombarded you with her face. Hola, Kelly.
Hi.
Okay. So we tried to eat healthy.
Not always. Yesterday we had cookies. So. But
I
I mean, the rest of the
cookies,
day,
you ate a piece of my cookie.
so it wasn't the full calories.
We tried to eat healthy. Most of the time I fail. I think you do pretty good.
I do pretty consistent. Well, now.
Let's hide these Oreos after we talk about eating healthy. So today we are going to make healthy snacks for you guys.
Woo!
From Pinterest. What should we name this title?
Ooh, let's do a clickbait
Yeah,
title.
clickbait. What should be a clickbait title? You poisoned me.
We have to like see.
Why did I pick such a full cauliflower?
Do you have the recipes for these? Because I don't.
Yes. By the way, guys, this is Kelly,
Hi.
my fake friend,
Oh,
my fake co-worker.
that wasn't me, by the way. I didn't say coworker.
You know who you are. Okay, so I think the one that takes forever is your cauliflower, Parmesan cauliflower bites.
That sounds so
There'll be a
good.
picture somewhere over here. Can you chop that up into bite-sized pieces?
I don't even know how to do that.
There's no knife. Where's your cuchillo? Where's your cutting board? Like, okay, while she does that, I'm going to snack. Bro, Kelly,
It's
what are
just
you
easier like
doing?
this. It's just easier like this, but it's making it difficult.
Oh my, I thought I was a cooking fail. I don't even think they know what you're doing because you hit all it. We are preheating this oven. Oh shoot, what did I do? Oh.
Oh, yes, yeah, to preheat.
Oop, I didn't even get my finger pressing that. My crooked old finger. We have to add the panko and the cheese to a large bowl and mix it together until thoroughly combined. We're literally just mixing this with cheese. I have high expectations for this one because I was reading one of the reviews and the girl said her husband thought it was chicken.
Ooh.
Chicken. I don't know. We're not making, so for a half a head it was 1.5, so I say half a cup. Half a cup is about this much. That's half a cup.
Just put a little more, just for the funsies. Love it. Living for it.
Le Parmesan cheese. I almost broke it, please.
Yeah, I saw that a little bit.
Okay. Full.
I'm
I'm going to stop. Ah! Too much, too much. Mix that cauliflower and cheese.
Okay, no.
We have our chopped up cauliflower.
Oh my god, look at this broken knife. Let's get that away from here.
Oh my, you're so embarrassing. So the next one is, so we're gonna dip it in here.
Shouldn't we have like a tray ready to put them in?
So then it said once you dip it in the egg and you shake off the excess, you dip it in your little mixture here. This is not really working out. Theirs didn't look like this, but this is mine.
That looked good.
Your turn. I just feel like I don't see how this is gonna taste. There's no salt.
Are you sure it didn't ask for salt?
No. You already know who made this recipe. Sorry. So Kelly, what's your favorite healthy snack
Me?
that you like make?
That I make. I made these like, they're like cookies, but they don't have like regular flour. It's made out of like almond flour. It's actually pretty good. I get tired of the taste after a while.
Ooh. My favorite snack is peanut butter and carrots.
Yeah, it is.
What's your favorite unhealthy snack?
It would probably be those jalapeno Cheetos. I love those things.
Guys,
I could eat a whole bag of those.
One time at work, now they're good,
They're really good.
but Kelly
They're
went to the
so
vending
good.
machine and got 3 whole bags. Had to go vlog style. We're gonna put these in the oven.
On my face. Oh my god.
So while those are in the oven for I think 20-25 minutes, hey Siri, set timer for 25 minutes.
Okay, 25 minutes and counting.
So we are going to be making, we're gonna make like yogurt berry bark. There'll be a picture right there. What are you doing?
Why doesn't it smell like
Why
strawberries?
is it so white?
I know,
That's your strawberry.
Oh.
So, to start off, we're gonna chop up some berries. I only got strawberries and some blueberries. Because I know Kelly likes blueberries. I like strawberries.
Ooh. Ooh! That's sour berry.
Are they sour?
Not all of them. That one was.
Ooh.
Ooh!
I'm gonna take some of this chobani from my Captain Crunch video. If you haven't watched that video, it's linked down below. Oh, our cauliflowers.
It smells good.
Yeah! Have you guys ever seen these little mini bananas?
We're just gonna go for it. The only thing that's different is the. Did it?
We're back! So I poured some for myself and some for Kelly. I think I can handle those here.
Yes.
Awkward.
What's my dad doing here?
Everybody, pause. We'll be back. Okay, guys, we switched to iPhone.
That was a whole ordeal.
So this is the cauliflower snack. We're gonna try it. This tastes like straight up fart.
I'm not mad about it. Like, I would eat it, but
I
It's
see
not
the
my favorite.
potential.
yeah.
It needs salt.
I love.
So I'm gonna show you guys what we did here. We have our little yogurt snacks. Freeze. I'm not sure how long it's supposed to freeze, but we're just gonna probably chill. And we're gonna turn this video into a vlog because we only did 2 snacks. So we're gonna go to Marshall's and waste money.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. 5 hours later, let's do
Literally
this.
5 hours later. So what had happened was.
Kelly, you can explain.
Okay, so I live with my parents. Apparently they decided to come home early today. So yeah, it got really awkward, so.
And you know, parents don't know about that YouTube life.
So they just think we're weird.
So we kind of left. We went shopping, spent money we didn't have. Went to Marshall's,
And
Victoria's Secret. All right, y'all. This is my reaction.
a little bit. Is it good?
In my opinion,
It's mediocre.
it tastes like yogurt.
And fruit.
And
Weird.
fruit. Between this one and the cauliflower bites, this one wins.
Cauliflower's not good.
It was really gross.
At first you were like, okay, and then you had a second one, you're like, oh
It
no.
tasted like fart, like someone farted in your mouth.
You know how it tastes?
Do you want to make the chocolate covered peanut butter things now? We have to melt some of these wafers. Wafers.
Tell.
We are switching to iPhone cam because technical difficulties, our camera died. And Kelly's over here mixing up some chocolate for, we're gonna make, a picture is gonna be probably over here. I don't know what to call it. A peanut butter, banana, chocolate, banana sandwich, I don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back for the 3rd time today. We're gonna take a banana, the lighting's off. But you know what, guys, you're gonna have to just work with us. Take some peanut butter. Then you're gonna take your other banana, you're gonna squeeze it and make a banana sandwich. Then you're gonna take your sandwich and dip it in the chocolate. Cool and refrigerate for 10 or 15 minutes.
I'm about to eat it like this. I don't even care.
Okay, you eat it like that, tell me how it tastes. I'll be the test subject for the cool one.
I'm not bad.
Yo, help!
That's what I did.
This stuff.
Like, I don't hate it, but
I would just do it with all the chocolate. Next on the menu is
Is
the Oreo,
mean.
which that we need the recipe for because this girl don't bake.
No.
So we don't have muffin pan, muffin, nothing. So this is gonna be our muffin. We're gonna take out the pudding. So I'm not actually the biggest fan of Oreos. They're alright.
Yeah, they are.
Quick to use.
Nope. Those are for decorations. You know how Hispanic families
Really?
are. They're for decorations.
I don't know how much butter to melt, so let's put like a tablespoon, right? Okay, so I think we mix this with the butter.
Put the bag in the butter.
Oh my god, Jamile.
Honestly, I think we're so innovative because we're both very poor.
No, another
Protein
person would just go to Walmart and buy Ziploc bags when you could have just used a mini cold rack, just saying. Guys, this video has been going for like 8 hours. It's a whole work day. So we have the bottom of our little, yours is prettier than mine.
Can I
Put
just do a
some
whole
of that was
I didn't
going on.
notice. What are we doing now?
Okay, so now,
That looks good.
yeah, we're gonna take some and pour it in our cup.
This, by the way, I don't know if we made it right.
But if you make it right, it's supposed to only have like 20 calories or so, or 40 calories.
I feel like this has more.
You're supposed to freeze and I think it's supposed to taste like ice cream.
The bananas are done.
Yay! We are going to try.
Oh, why do I look like a derp?
I look like a potato. We're gonna try our banana peanut butter sandwiches. 1, 2, 3. It tastes better cold.
Yeah, it does.
The chocolate isn't as overpowering.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good to me.
10 out of 10 Mmm.
It's actually really good.
Mm-hmm. You want to do a little haul?
Sure.
I'm not showing y'all what's in here. But if you guys didn't know, well, not when by the time you guys watch this video, it's not going to be on sale anymore. So never mind.
But
But it's 10 for $35.
which is cheap for Victoria's Secret.
Oh my god, we look so much better. We should have just done it here. Hi guys. We went to Marshall's. I haven't been to Marshall's in a very long time actually. I only go to Le Gros.
There's Ross. I'm not saying
I know. When we were going to the store, I'm like, don't tell me she calls Ross Marshall's.
No, I didn't.
But I got
Some headphones.
for my workout because I'm going back to the gym now. So these are Beats by Dre. That's what you call them, right? And then you put them on like this. Your turn. One thing from your bag.
I only have like 2 things. I got some socks
Les socks.
because I don't have a lot of socks.
Bro, I just thought about how this was your idea to do a haul. You just got socks.
Oh, I got another thing.
You think the other thing was pretty bomb. But sorry. What were you
But
saying?
my first thing that I'm gonna show is my socks.
And they match the shoes because these are all her shoes colors.
Literally white, gray, and black. Oh, this smells
So I got this candle. It says Karma, but the scent is rose hibiscus. I was in a rose mood today because I got,
Yeah, you got rose like everything.
but this thing smells so good.
No, I honestly really like how it smells. That smells really good. I thought it was funny that I was talking about like good karma. When you go to Marshall's, sometimes they have like little donations, and they had like a donation for Alzheimer's. Whenever there's donations for anything, I'm like, I jump that wagon real quick. Like anything I can do to help.
I'm not gonna lie, I never donate, but I was going to donate because of her cute little story. They didn't even offer.
I know.
to donate, so
This man knew.
I
was
guess
gonna
I
do
don't
it
get
too.
good karma. Your turn. Or should I just do my last one so you can steal the thunder?
Sure.
Because her thing's really cute.
And it's kind of cute.
So the last thing I got was, I'm like working on a skincare routine, and if it works, I guess I'll be a video for you guys. So I'm trying to like clear up my skin, and I think it would be nice to add this. It's called Aloe and Rose Water Tonic Water. And it smells bomb too. I mainly got it for the scent. I just imagine spraying this on my face before bedding on.
But I mean, rose water is good for your face.
Yeah, and it has aloe, which
Which is really good for your face.
you know what? Let's test this.
Talk to us. You got the real good one.
Here, you get some too.
Oh.
We're back for the 7th time today. All right, Kelly, steal the thunder.
I was not gonna buy this. I just kept trying to get myself not to buy it, but Yami was hyping me up way too much for this.
It's really cute, so.
So we were by the purse aisle, and I like saw this cute like bag, and I was like, this looks like something that literally I would wear, and like I would use. And like
My favorite's
it's-
besides. Ooh.
Yeah, because it's pink. It's like that rosy pink. Calvin Klein. Oh, and I like how it has like this. Like it has like this compartment, but then it has this compartment.
Ooh.
It's got like
Does
these
it
two-
connect?
No.
Oh. Bro, not gonna lie though, the difference between the original and the sale
was, like,
isn't that
nothing,
big of a
no.
difference. So that was our little mini haul. Honestly, when I leave Kelly's house, I'm gonna go home, wash my face, take off this makeup, spray my face, not spray it, drown my face
In this rose.
in this rose water, light this candle, put a face mask on, put on How to Get Away with Murder. I think things are done now. Look at this bomb Oreo treat. Alrighty, let's try it.
It's not bad, but I think I only like it because of like the crimped up Oreos on top.
Don't go to the bottom.
Oh, I already did.
Full. Okay, what was your favorite snack today?
The yogurt.
It's just the butter thing again.
My favorite was the peanut butter banana sandwich thing. After it was cold.
That was our little video for today. If you liked Kelly and you want to see her more videos, hit the thumbs down button.
That doesn't make sense.
JK, please hit the thumbs up button. So yeah, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. I'm sorry this video was like all over the place. We had different cameras, different locations, different angles, different
themes.
makeup because my lipstick came off. But it's going up and I hope you guys really liked it. Again, my name is Yami. This is Kelly. Please hit that like button if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel. And I hope you like this video.
I know gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her.